The Lambda Shuttle is one of the iconic spacecrafts of the Star Wars universe. The Lambda class T-4A shuttle, also known as the Imperial Lambda Imperial Transport or the Imperial Shuttle, was developed by CNR Fleet Systems for use in the Imperial Navy. This shuttle brought Darth Vader to the Death Star in the beginning of Return of the Jedi. The Emperor arrived to the Death Star on a similar shuttle, and the shuttle Tiderium, which brought Han, Leia, Luke and the droids to the surface of the moon of Endor, was also a Lambda shuttle. When I stumbled upon this model on Thingiverse, I immediately decided to make myself one. This turned out to be one of my longest prints, if not the longest one, and the result is very nice. Here is the video where I will be removing it from the build surface, removing the raft, doing some cleanup, and then I will demonstrate the model. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here it is. A beautiful print, took almost 24 hours. Very nice, very detailed. Supposed to be fully articulated, so these joints should all move. I have some doubts about one of them, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, as I mentioned, very detailed, needs raft, needs supports, so let's try to peel it off. I mean, this was a very long print and I don't want to mess up with it. Okay, let's try, and it lifts right away. Okay, so, well, sufficiently cool. Peeling PLA from glass is not a problem. Let's try to peel off this raft. And it's actually very satisfying. It peels nicely and leaves a pretty smooth surface. And I can already see that at least one wing moves very nicely. The other wing, okay, yeah, it seems to be stuck. Yes, that's what I thought. I actually noticed that during the print, that the gap on that side was slightly smaller. Okay, I think I need to break off supports first. Yeah, and yep, then you can peel it away with supports. Just careful, try not to break anything. Yeah, I think I need to use pliers. Yep, much better. See, this wing moves freely. And yep, now I am able to peel off the rest of the raft. There it is, very nice, very smooth. Okay. By the way, this is my 3D printed bag. It's like a trash bag. It's actually a scanned paper bag, then printed in base mode. Let's try to break this wing free. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to break it off. Yeah, there's some support material stuck there. Yep. Okay, so this wing is stuck. Okay, maybe if I apply a little bit of force, and there it goes. Very nice.
The ability to destroy a planet is insignificant next to the power of the Force.
So both wings are free. Isn't this a beautiful model? See? Fully articulated, printed as a single piece. So it cannot be disassembled, you can only break it. It's actually pretty sturdy. I mean, all these details, all these panels are actually rather thick. I printed it with 20% infill. I probably could have gotten away with 10%, I don't know. But anyway, this turned out a very good model. Again, good quality, very detailed. The link to this model is going to be down below in the description. Thanks for staying with me until the end. If you like this video, please click that like button. Also consider subscribing to my channel. There will be more 3D printing, RC and other nerdy stuff videos coming. Also, please check out videos of my puppy, Arthur the Corgi. You can find them in a separate playlist right here on my channel. Again, thank you, and don't forget to have fun. Bye!